Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to get paid with the Medium platform. So first I will need you to go to your web browser and search for Medium Earn. Medium and Earn. So now it will take you to this page of the Medium website. So it is the Earn for your writings. After you click on it, here you will see that there is two ways to earn money and get paid uh, for your writings. So basically, now we will need to apply for a form so we can be verified if we can get accepted to be a member of the Medium platform. Also, you need to have and meet the eligibility criteria, and here they are. First, you will need at least to publish already a story and have 100 minimum of followers, and of course you will need to stay active, and activity means to have at least one post each 6 months. After that, you will need just to click on apply and fill this form. So we will click on start, we will have this. And now we need to click on continue so we can continue our form, and we have the disclosure, etc. Now we will see if you have this you need to have at least 18 years old, for example. Yes, okay. Have the number of followers, for example 120. Yes. You need to have your Medium profile. So when you connect to your, for example, Medium profile, you will need just to copy this one and paste it here. So let's just have it something like that. Okay. The email, you give them email .com, for example. Okay. And then you will select your country, and then we have application complete. Then you will need just to wait until you get accepted, and you will get notified in your email, and you will be able to start earning money and getting paid with the Medium platform. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.